What if one drone flight could give you every angle you need? Cinematic shots, action shots, even social media clips, all from a single take. Sounds unreal, right? Well, after testing the new DJI Avata 360 for the past 3 months, I can tell you, this thing is different. And today, here's what it can actually do. Let's start with the biggest highlight, 360 mode. At first, it looks like a normal front camera. But once you launch, it switches into full 360 capture. That means, you fly once and create multiple camera angles later. You can reframe your shots in post. Turn one flight into a cinematic wide shot, a fast action sequence, or a vertical social clip. It honestly feels like a cheat code for creators. Now yes, like any 360 camera, you lose a bit of quality. But the flexibility you gain? For most creators, it's absolutely worth it. Next, durability. I flew this drone through rain, humidity, even got it wet with salt water. And it handled everything without issues. Of course, you still need to protect the lenses, but overall, it feels tough and reliable. Now let's talk about signal strength. I tested it flying through trees, rocks, and obstacles. And the connection stayed stable. That's where DJI really stands out. It just works. Size-wise, it sits in a very interesting spot. Smaller than traditional FPV drones, but still powerful enough for serious shooting. It feels compact, but not like a toy. The camera system also looks upgraded. Larger lenses, better design, and overall, a more premium feel. This is clearly built for creators, not beginners. You also get obstacle sensing. Sensors on the front and bottom help avoid crashes and give you more confidence while flying. One of my favorite features? Replaceable lenses. 360 cameras are super sensitive to scratches. But here, if something happens, you can just swap the lens. That's a huge win. You also get multiple control options: motion controller, standard controller, FPV remote. So whether you're a beginner or pro, you can fly your way. After using it for months, one thing is clear. This drone isn't just about speed or tricks. It's about creativity. How much can you create from a single flight? And honestly, it feels like DJI is pushing boundaries again. This might be one of their most creative drones yet. Full review with all specs is coming soon. But for now, this drone looks very, very promising.